So I'm going to be showing you ladies how I turned my $1 conditioner into a moisturizing, hydrating, deep conditioner. So the first item we're going to start off with is the Suave Tropical Coconut Conditioner. This conditioner is infused with coconut extract and vitamin E. The next item is extra virgin olive oil. This helps detangle the hair. It leaves the hair feeling soft and shiny, and it also reduces and prevents split ends. The next item on the list is avocado oil. This oil helps moisturize the hair. It promotes hair growth. It prevents dandruff as well as help revitalize the hair. Last but not least is honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, which makes a great hair moisturizer. It also helps restore the natural luster of your hair, and it's also rich in antioxidant properties, which enables it to reduce hair breakage, hair loss, and keep your hair strong and healthy. It also contains antibacterial properties which prevent scalp infections that can leave the scalp feeling itchy, and we don't want that. Depending on the length of your hair, you can change up the measurements. I will be using 1 tablespoon of each oil and maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. So let's jump into this tutorial. So after doing this treatment and after I rinsed it out, my hair was so soft and manageable. So this is definitely going to be a staple in my routine, and I can't wait to try this out on my daughter's hair. If you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget to smash the like button as well as hit the subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to you guys later.